Sige, picture po kayo. Say our business. You vlog everything our business.
I love Beirut. Bye. She is young. She is small. I thought it's the skinnier, the smallest. And she will, hey, mali siya mga. Ana, I calm down.
You ruin my mood. First of all, my mood was ruined.
Eh, small.
No, and I forgot my phone. And my lip gloss.
The worstest thing ever of Unya.
My lip gloss. And
What is the most worse than the dream, than her dream?
Ethiopia.
That's three. Ang dami ko na i-upload. Hindi na ako nag-i-edit ako ngayon hindi ako maka-edit.
ما في شيء مضبوط. لو ضيعنا علم مخلوق.
Where are we going up there?
That is safe.
The most successful being flexible. Ay, wow! Ganda pala ba? Mama, where are you? Dunya! I'm waiting for you beside me and you're gone. I love you. Pinuntampo. Look, I love you.
Mande telephone.
Oh, so pretty. On.
Kailangan natin may picture dito.
Yeah.
good.
Watch. Yala, Rohe. Ah, sabi ko, alis na eh. Yala ka, magpapapicture ka? Do picture on route.
Alors tu veux gagner un stage.
And look over there. No, just look at there. I just see something. Wait, just wait.
Wow. Ipasa mo sa kanya. Kasi wala siyang ano. Isa pa, isa pa.
See what I do to you. Wait. Don't move, mommy.
Model my jacket.
لا هلا اقتصادي تحت في طبعا.
Ganda lang. Pink. Pink. Gondo ng phone.
Let's take a picture together. Here, you.
Saan? Dito o sa Ella Beirut. Ang dilim dyan. gusto niya yung telepono mo. Oh.
Another position. Wow. Another position.
So like this. Jump, jump.
Jump. Wait, I will do you jump slow motion. Slow jump and I will do you spin.
Do. iPhone, iPhone.
I will do you slow motion just. If I see go.
Yan na, mama. Nobody is watching.
Picture, video. You know that picture just that?
Asan si Ruth? Ay, ang layo. Iniwan, she left you. Ay! Pause ako ng pause, yung pala taas na yung kinukunan. Patingin ko nga. Pause mo sa amin ako, sige. Asan siya? You are not there, mama.
Mag-antay lang.
Wait, titingin siya, titingin eh. Walang sounds.
Lagyan mo ng sounds.
And the fine.
So nice.
Sorry. It's okay. Ang bigat ng bag mo.
Oo nga, kala mo kung may nakatagal.
laman
Wala
yan?
namang laman. Walang nakalagay.
Ana.
Okay. Wala na.
We should do picture over there. Ano, the Christmas is taking place now. Bala, here.
Sige, picture ko kayo.
Nasaan na tayo doon? Sa may Christmas. Bugare. Huwag na tayo maghiwalay ba?
I had my phone, I would take so much pictures.
Ano why like that, mama? You just walk. Stand there so I can take your video. Stand there.
But I don't,
Gagawin niya yan one day. Sabi ni
I
Rose,
don't,
sabi ni
sign
Rose,
in.
parang ako din lang daw. Ay, si Ruth ayaw mo maki-cooperate. Sabi, parang ikaw din lang. Halika na doon sa may Christmas. Ruth! Dito, oh, sa car. Stand here, mama. I take your picture. Hon. Stand there. Ay! May mga shop. Wala na ngayong shop.
Shop?
O yung mga bilihan. Wala na, ano?
Wala na, hindi ka kaya na.
Ay! Kaya niya gustong pumunta dito. Bravo. At least you had perfume.
Yes.
Nalawi na tayo?
Tara na.
Doon na tayo ulit sa Ilabero at maghintay ng taxi.
Oh, mag-bus tayo.
Magbas na.
Taxi.
Ayaw niya kasi may mga sorry.
I don't want.
May mga sorry ba? Ako magbabayad doon to.
Wala, okay, okay lang.
Ako na ako!
Hindi, okay lang.
Ano, tatawagan mo ang taxi?
Hindi, okay lang siya mag-taxi tayo. Tawagan mo yung taxi.
Wala na siya yung scanner. Sundan mo lang kami doon, ha?
Ano, I am blind. Here, the start of it is here, and then you go to the other floor.
Dito yung mga pagkain eh. Nakalimutan mo dito, Ruth. OMG! What you will bring here? Nothing. Only the Christmas hat. Snap toy. He's not moving. Come here. I'm pulling your shirt. Kaya nga, ano kayang bibili niya dito? Stop toys na ako. Ay, they move already there and now here is. Sundan mo lang kami doon sa unahan.
See, I knew it.
Oh, Ella, what do you want? Oh, you see the perfume is here?
Ay, there is. Hold on. Dress.
Oh, I'm here. Where are you going? There's no shop here. Concentrate here. There are more going there. Sako is coming.
So dumb. The Christmas tree is there.
Where is Ruth? Maybe we will lose each other.
What is there?
Ruth! Doon daw mo. Doon pa daw oh. Kaya ang halik-halika para masatisfy siya. Sure.
Baka pupunta agad yung ano dito.
Baka dumating na si Sako. There's nothing.
What the Christmas? You wanna take picture?
No, halos. On the trip.
Class next time, guys.
At pupunta pa dito sa linggo eh. Sunday. Wait. hanggang video na lang, Ruth.
May figuring.
Tinapay lang yan, Ruth. Ano ba yan? Halika na, tayo.
And she comes before Sunday, so she can come.
No.
Mama,
That you will see. Your perfume. Ay. Alas ka na siya, Rabigo. Malayo pa yung lalakarin natin. Magpuriring na ito. Pawabalikin na natin dito. Goodbye. So ahad. Mayala, goodbye.
Yes.
Diba? The mosque. Yara, punta natin. Bakit sa Elaberot po tayo nagpapunta? Unalaki. Look what she's doing.
Can I take
Unalaki. Dapat dito na lang tayo nagpapunta. Oh.
Me? Of the store.
Papasa mo raw sa kanya kasi wala siya.
Okay, take me a video. Into the star. Yeah, I like this video. Video important.